National race Bergerac, a long distance race. In this race there were 3,838 old birds, and the national race has won by Smet Gunther from Lokeren. His blue cock with ring number B21 411636 made a velocity of 1,340 meters per minute. It's a very nice cock. He made that velocity on a distance of 748 kilometers and beat it in warm, very warm temperatures, plus 30 degrees, the 3,838 old birds. Gunther Smet is known because he won already also an international race. And we show you the eye of this national winner. Very nice eye. Raised on widowhood. So the hen was home. The normal widowhood system. Congrats from the Bergerac team to Mr. Smet Gunther from Lokeren by winning his second national race, in fact. So once first national, international, and now 2 times first national race. Congrats.